Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding render. You guys have been showing tremendous amount of support on the channel over the past, few months. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you have not already, guys, what are you waiting for? Come join the Crypto ZX army. And now let's get right into it. As you guys can tell by the title, we're going to be talking about render and see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So if we're looking at the price right now, currently sitting at $2.41, up 1.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up about 1.1% in Bitcoin and 2% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. As you guys know, render has been gaining a lot of traction within the crypto space over the past few months. Parabolic moves happening within the price. We're going to be talking about what's happening now, where the price could be going in the immediate short term. So let's get right into it. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $880 million. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 125 million. So now let's shift our focus on the price, see what's happening and where we are headed to in the immediate short term. As you guys know, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at the price, you guys can see once again sitting above that level of resistance. And this is huge, guys. I want you guys, if you are a holder of render, you do want to pay very close attention to this, because you guys can see we have basically broken out of the accumulation zone. You can see how important this level of resistance really was for render, which was at $2.16. And at the beginning of the year, there were two different times where we tried to break out here, and both different times it was a rejection. And also, there was a third time where we tried to break out of here on April 21st, again, a rejection. But as you guys know, just yesterday, we did see the price finally break out towards the upside, and it is currently sitting at $2.42. Now, with that said, now that I have mentioned to you guys that we have broken out of the consolidation phase, now comes the question, what is next? What is next? One thing I want you guys to keep in mind right now is, remember, render is up quite a bit since the beginning of the year. So if you picked up render at the beginning of the year, you are already up, as of recording this video, 5x. You've heard that correct, guys. You are up 5x since that entry. So without a doubt, that is a massive, massive gain within the space. So now, like I said, there comes the question, what is next? Remember, render has not been in the markets for too long. It was launched late last bull cycle. So this is its first real time to really start things rolling for itself. And a lot of people are very, very excited on this project. It had an all-time high of, if we go look at it, back on November 21st, which was at $8.78, that was its all-time high. So now if we're looking at its price right now, you can see, it's facing that level of, resistance where, we were being supported by back on January of 2022. So last year, and that's exactly where we're finding ourselves face a little bit of a resistance. And, if we clear this zone out, guys, the next target that render could be looking at is that $3.31 mark. So that is the next main target that, I would have my eyes on. But with that said, we're going to be examining the BTC dominance. BTC dominance is increasing. So altcoins right now, majority of the altcoins in the markets are lagging behind Bitcoin right now. But you can see render, it has showed its momentum, its strength, but it's up right now. It's outperforming Bitcoin still, even though Bitcoin dominance is extremely high, and that shows the momentum that's on its side, and it's still below $1 billion market valuation. So I'm very, very excited to see what I'm seeing. I'm very excited to see what I'm currently seeing right now for render, because despite this overall BTC momentum, it's still making massive strides. If it were to see a little bit more volume come in and BTC dominance were to plummet a little bit, the next main target, as I've mentioned, would be around that $3.20 mark. So very exciting times ahead. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price going. So now one thing I want you guys to keep in mind is, it would be very, very important if the price of render were to go down, for it to hold this level of support, which is at that $2.15 mark. If it does that, that's great. and that is still a move of down about 10.8%. So I would love for it to hold around there. If it were to drop below, we do have support built up around here, so it would require a lot of big BTC move towards the downside in order for us to break below, because the momentum is on render's side right now. But let me know down below what you guys think. Are you guys picking up some more render? What is your strategy? What are your price predictions? Let me know down below. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.